Today I'm going to be showing you how to make really nice metal materials. So you want to find a metal matte cap from either Google or someone gives it to you. So just search up in Google metal matte cap, and then you can either use images or you can search it up somewhere else. I'm going to steal this one. This is what I use for my avatar. Go ahead and save that and then import it into Unity itself. So we're going to need two metal textures. First of all, I'm going to click this. I'm going to go to the right and change the max size to 128. Now, the reason I say 128 is because we do not need a really large matte cap size. It'll just lag you and it'll stock up room. 128 has it so where you can see all the details without it being too blurry. That's what I've discovered. Do not use crunch compression. I'm going to tick the MIP streaming and hit apply. I'm going to click this again, press Control and then D to duplicate. You want to click this, go to the top right, click texture shape, change it from 2D to cube. Now we're making a cube map now. So hit apply. So now we have a matte cap and a cube map. Now you want to right click, create material, and name it either metal or silver. I'm going to name mine silver. Drag these metal onto all the metal that you want to put on your avatar, just so you can watch it while you're changing everything. Now at the top right, change it from standard to Poyomi Pro. Now we're going to start from the bottom and work our way up. So go to the rendering tab, drop it down, change the cull from back to off, go to global modifiers and data, drop down post-processing, turn on post-processing, close that. Turn on outlines. This is up to you. You don't have to have outlines. I like the way it makes it look. I'm personally going to make it a little bit smaller, actually, probably like 0.3 or something. That's a really nice size. I'm going to go to shading, drop that down, turn on LT CGI, turn on environmental rim. I'm going to change the rendering preset from opaque to cutout. I'm going to turn on reflections and specular. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to turn metal all the way up, specular all the way up. I'm going to go to shading, change it from flat to multi-layer math, sorry. I'm going to turn on shadow border map, tick that, close that. Change that from red to white. Where it says shading, go to color, change it from this blue to like a gray, turn the blur all the way up. Now go to light data, change grayscale from 0 to 0.5. I'm going to turn this to 1. And then the minimum brightness, because it's metal, it'll be different to like normal textures. I'm going to turn mine up to about here. And then I'm going to tick matte cap. I'm going to turn the intensity all the way up. Drag in this first one, which is the matte cap, into matte cap, and it already looks like a metal, as you can see. I'm going to close this and go to cube map, drag in the second one, which is this one, put it in there. Now I'm going to turn the brightness up, and now we've got a metal. And that is pretty much it, except you can add clear coat, which this is the main thing that will make the world reflect the metal. The clear coat, the cube map, and the matte cap will be carrying how it works in game, depending on how you like it in game. I don't really like the look of clear coat much, but I am going to add it and change clear coat visibility to 0.3, and that's up to you how you want to do that. Just customize it and see how you like it from there. But yeah, that's pretty much how I do my metals and get the best lighting out of it. I also want to note that to get the best lighting and environmental reflections of avatar lighting onto your avatar, use this tutorial to make materials for every other material you want to make in game. Just turn off clear coat, cube map, matte cap, and reflections and specular. You get such a nice material for this. That's pretty much how I make my metals look really, really nice.